What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video And in today's tutorial video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can transfer crypto from Coinbase to Trustwallet. Now for those people who do not know Coinbase, Coinbase is the world's second largest crypto exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And since it's the world's second largest crypto exchange, a lot of people use it and it's pretty secure as well. And if you guys want to sign up into Coinbase, I will leave a link in the description which if you guys use, you guys can get up to $10 bonus. And for those people who do not know Trust Wallet, a short description of Trust Wallet is it's a digital wallet for storing your cryptocurrency and it is one of the safest and securest wallet to store your crypto. So if you want to use it, you can use it as well. And if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And with that said, let's move on. So the first step is you want to go to coinbase.com and log in into your account and go on send and receive. Now once you go on send and receive, on the send section where it says pay with, choose the crypto which you are transferring. So I want to transfer Polkadot, so I'm going to search for Polkadot and click on it. Once I do that, I'm going to open my Trust Wallet. Once I open my Trust Wallet, I'm going to choose the crypto which I'm transferring. I'm transferring Polkadot, so I'm going to choose Polkadot over here and click on copy. Now once I copy the wallet address of Polkadot, I'm going to come back to Coinbase and paste it over here where it says to. Once I paste it over here at the top, I'm going to enter the amount of Polkadot I want to transfer. So I want to transfer 5,000 Nepalese rupees worth of Polkadot. And once I click on continue at the bottom, my Polkadot should be transferred from Coinbase to my, Trust Wallet if the crypto address over here is correct. Make sure for correct crypto, enter the correct address. For Polkadot, enter the address of Polkadot because for every different crypto, the wallet address is different and you mix it up, then your crypto is going to get transferred to the wrong person. So just keep that in mind. That said, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial. And I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then everybody.